Why does your scanner show the P1077 engine code? What does it mean? P1077 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake manifold runner control system malfunction low RPM. This engine code indicates that specifically it suggests a malfunction in the IMRC system, which controls the airflow through the intake manifold to optimize engine performance at different speeds. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. IMRC system malfunction. Common causes. Symptoms: vacuum leaks, intake manifold runner issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda, CR-V, and Acura RSX models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.